In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase any text with QuillBot if you're looking to rewrite content so it sounds natural. While keeping the original meaning, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a simple, reliable way. We'll cover where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the result reads clearly and stays true to your intent. First, open your web browser and go to the QuillBot website. Give yourself a moment to get your text ready. It helps to have the passage you want to paraphrase copied to your clipboard so you can paste it in quickly. If your content has heavy formatting, tables, or images, convert it to plain text first so the tool focuses purely on your words. And as a best practice, don't paste any sensitive or personal information. QuillBot is designed to help with language, but you should still be mindful of privacy, especially when working with proprietary or confidential drafts. Once you're on the site, click on the Paraphrasing tool. You'll see a text box where you can paste your content. Drop your text into that box, then select the Paraphrase button. QuillBot will analyze the input and rewrite it to be more fluent and human-sounding while preserving the core message. Give it a moment to process, especially if your passage is long. If you're working with a very lengthy document, consider paraphrasing it in manageable sections so you can better review the output and maintain consistent tone. As the result appears, read through it carefully. Make sure names, dates, figures, and technical terms are unchanged if they need to remain exact. If you included quotes or citations, verify they're still accurate and properly attributed. The goal is a clean, clear rewrite that improves readability without altering facts or intent. If a sentence feels off, tweak it directly in the output area. A quick read-aloud pass helps you catch awkward phrasing and ensure the flow feels natural. And that's it. You're done. When you're satisfied with the rewrite, copy the paraphrased text and paste it back into your document or editor. Give everything a final proofread to check grammar, punctuation, and tone, and make sure the content fits your audience and purpose. Remember, paraphrasing is about clarity and originality, not cutting corners, so always keep your sources in mind and cite where appropriate. With these steps, you can confidently turn rough or repetitive passages into polished prose that's ready to share.